Welcome back to our channel. This video logo design tutorial for start to finish. I am fine for elephant child image. I made a similar sketch from the image of this elephant baby. Set the 30% transparency. Set the 3 types layer. Image, elephant body, elephant head. First of all, we'll make elephant body. Select the ellipse tool. Changing stroke color. Ellipse tool, I make a circle. Fit to the stretch. Copy and paste. Rectangle tool. Copy and paste. Right-click on mouse, transform, reflect. Fit to the stretch. If you liked this video, then subscribe to our channel. Go to Object, Path, Offset Path. Now let's make elephant head. Ellipse tool, I make a circle, changing stroke color. Edit menu, copy. Paste in place. Select all. Using Shape Builder tool. Delete unnecessary parts. Go to Object, Path, Offset Path. Select the points, make rounded corners. Type tool. Animal Planet. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.